Hello, in this video you will learn how to use alert dialog in Flutter. So let's create a new Flutter project. In Android Studio, start a new Flutter project, or you can also use your terminal. I'm using Android Studio. If Flutter application is selected, click Next. Project name as alert underscore dialog, Flutter alert dialog. Next. Here you have to provide your compile domain. I'm using my compile domain. Finish. Open your main.dart file in your project directory, in live directory. You have to remove these codes. Right. Now we have to create our main function and add braces. Now call for run app. Add semicolon to end. To fix this, import material.dart file. Import in single quotations package flutter / material.dart. Great. Now I'm going to create a new class in live directory new file hello.dart. Now I have to create a new class called hello, and this is extend with stateless widget. Now add braces. To fix this we have to import material.dart file here. Import in single quotations package flutter / material.dart. Great. Now we have to click this class name and press Alt and Enter and create one machine override. Great, now we have our build method. Now in main.dart file, import our hello.dart file. Great. Now in run app call for hello. Great. Now go back to hello.dart file. Now we can add the return statement as material app, put brackets. Now as a home, I am going to put container widget as home container. Great. Now we have to provide a child. What I'm going to do is create a button. To do that, I'm going to create another class for button. Class raised button example. It is extend with stateless widget. Now let's override machine method. Great. Here we can return raised button. Now we can provide the elevation for this button. I'm going to use 6.0 and on present method as I'm going to create a new bracket and brace. Okay. Finally we can put a text for a button. To do that, put child and use text. I'm going to provide click me as button text. Great, now we can provide our button to this hello class child. Raised button example as the name. Now I need to check this app it is working. In test directory I'm going to remove this file and open my simulator in Xcode. Also you can use Android emulator. I'm going to run. Okay, this is our button. Let's add a color for this button. colors dot white, and text color as, I'm going to put a style first and call for text style. Inside this bracket I can choose my color as colors dot black. Alright, now I have to create a alert dialog. How we can do it? Below of this reset button example class, I'm going to create a new void as example alert dialog, and it is passing build context from this reset button example class. For that, add build context and it is named as context. Now create braces. Great. Now in this reset button example class, you can find this onPreset code. Call for this example alert dialog here. Example alert dialog, and pass this context in this reset button example. Now add semicolon for in the code. Now in this void, let's create a new var and put name as alert dialog, and it is equals with alert dialog. Now put brackets, and inside brackets we have to provide a title for our alert dialog. As a text we can provide that. This is my alert dialog title. Also we can provide a content for this. As a text I'm going to provide, this is my sample content. Great. Now let's add a semicolon here. Now we can call for show dialog. Now you have to pass the context as this context here, which is getting from this reset button example class. After that you have to call for builder here and call for build context after bracket put braces. Now you have to create a return statement for this alert dialog. Put a semicolon, finally put semicolon here also. Now let's run this app. When we click this button, we can see our alert dialog. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/SCIKER.